Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Which state government has launched the Chief Minister Mobile Operations Theatre to provide medical services to remote areas? A. Nagaland, B. Mizoram, C. Manipur, D. Assam. Correct answer is A. Question number 2. Which state government has denotified 3 proposed reserved forests to grant land rights to residents? A. Assam, B. Manipur, C. Nagaland, D. Mizoram. Correct answer is A. Question number 3. Which lake in Rajasthan has been renamed as Varun Sagar Lake? A. Nakki Lake, B. Foy Sagar Lake, C. Samand Lake, D. Kailana Lake. Correct answer is B. Question number 4. What is the name of the Karnataka's property registration portal that recently faced a distributed denial of service attack? A. Bhumi 2.0, B. Kaveri 2.0, C. Namami, D. Karnataka Land Portal. Correct answer is B. Question number 5. The Kundi is a traditional rainwater harvesting system mainly found in which state? A. Rajasthan, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 6. The term doubtful voter or D voter has been primarily used in which northeastern state? A. Assam, B. Manipur, C. Nagaland, D. Tripura. Correct answer is A. Question number 7. Which state government has recently launched the Advanced Cyber Security Operations Center to strengthen cyber security? A. Kerala, B. Maharashtra, C. Jharkhand, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Question number 8. The Kuki tribe is primarily found in which region of India? A. Northeastern India, B. South India, C. Western Ghats, D. Ladakh. Correct answer is A. Question number 9. Kosi Mechi Intra-State Link Project has been approved under which scheme in Bihar? A. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, B. Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, C. Jal Shakti Abhiyan, D. Mission Amrit Sarovar. Correct answer is A. Question number 10. Which ministry has launched the Rashtriya Karmyogi Jan Seva program to create a more accountable and citizen-centric workforce? A. Ministry of Science and Technology, B. Ministry of Ayush, C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, D. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Correct answer is B. Question number 11. Rashtriya Gokul Mission was launched in which year? A. 2014, B. 2015, C. 2016, D. 2017. Correct answer is A. Question number 12. Which ministry has launched India's social protection data pulling exercise with International Labour Organization? A. Ministry of Labour and Employment, B. Ministry of Law and Justice, C. Ministry of Finance, D. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Correct answer is A. Question number 13. Which state has become the first in India to complete a detailed antique survey at the village level? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Telangana, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is D. Question number 14. Which state has become the first in India to launch an artificial intelligence based real time forest alert system? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Odisha, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Question number 15. The Jenu Kuruba tribe is primarily found in which state? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, D. Odisha. Correct answer is B. Question number 16. Which state government recently launched Cyber Crime Refund Portal and iPragati to improve governance and law enforcement? A. Gujarat, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Odisha, D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Question number 17. Border Security Force is under the administrative control of which ministry? A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Defense, C. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is A. Question number 18. Kala Namak rice or Buddha rice is mainly grown in which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Bihar, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is A. Question number 19. Where is India's first variable speed pumped storage plant located? A. Uttarakhand, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Punjab, D. Haryana. Correct answer is A. Question number 20. Which state government has digitized the National Family Benefit Scheme to enhance transparency and efficiency in June 2025? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Odisha, C. Jharkhand, D. Haryana. Correct answer is A. Question number 21. Which ministry launched the Krishi Nivesh portal? A. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, B. Ministry of Rural Development, C. Ministry of Finance, D. Ministry of Jal Shakti. Correct answer is A. Question number 22. Which state government has launched Bachpan Day Care Center to support children with special needs? A. Bihar, B. Jharkhand, C. Punjab, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question 23. Which state government has recently launched a border tourism initiative to promote sustainable tourism in tribal areas? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Sikkim. Correct answer is A. Question 24. Which state has become the first in India to bring all urban local bodies under one digital platform? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Question 25. Which ministry has launched the Safai Apnao Bimari Bhagao campaign from 1 to 31st July 2025? A. Ministry of Urban Development, B. Ministry of Rural Development, C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, D. Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Correct answer is C. Thank you and I hope you like the video.